Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's Day twist and pop card. So I know you remember this, which is my last card from last year. This is the 2026 Happy New Year card. Today I'm going to show you how to make this. This is the cutest card. Now the measurements are slightly different in order to get this perfect heart in the middle. This pullout is bigger. I mean, so adorable. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make this absolutely gorgeous card. I'm gonna get started now with, as usual, with some scoring. I'm gonna put aside all the layers for the front and the inside of my card, and we're gonna score the base card, the mechanism, and where we're putting the I, heart, U. The base card is 11 by 4 1/4, and I'm gonna score that at 5 1/2. The mechanism is 2 1/2 by 8. I'm gonna score on the 2 1/2 side at 1 1/4. Where we're putting the I love you is 3 by 8. I'm gonna score this piece at 2 1/4 for 5 3/4. And that's all the scoring we're doing for today. I'm going to draw my heart using the inside of this. I'm lining up the base with hair perfectly and the top with hair perfectly so that I have space on this side for a little piece that's showing there. And I'm going to simply draw a heart. Now this is almost perfect, but I don't like how small the area is to hold this here. So I'm gonna do a little adjusting to my heart. I'm gonna start a little lower here, like that, and I'm gonna bring this a little deeper here. So it's just a little sketch that I'm doing. Right, and this could stay as it is, and then this should be definitely straight from here, just like it's straight from there, like that, and straight from here, like that. So I just made a slightly deeper and wider heart so that we have a bigger space to hold here, and I'm going to fold this like so and cut. And this should be our perfect I heart you. Right, so this is a 3 1/2 inch Sizzix heart die. They're standard nesting hearts from Sizzix. So this is done. Let's go ahead and do the measurements in this one. For our mechanism, we're going to mark on the 8 side 2 3/4 and 5 1/4 on both sides. And then you're going to grab your scoring tool, and we're going to score from the top here to here on both sides. You're going to have to ensure that the X crosses the middle. And let's fold and burnish in all our score lines. So we have our mechanism, we have our inner piece, we have our base card. Let's just round the edges of this because I just like how it looks better when it's rounded. So we're going to use the 10mm and round the edges of this. Perfect. I'm also going to round the edges of this piece here. So now we have all our layers set. What I want you to do is let's get started with layering our card first. Then we will get our mechanism ready. put everything you have for your mechanism up here. And this is the front of our card. I'm just using a really beautiful piece of designer series paper for the front of my card. I'm going to hover a cake in the middle there like this, and that'll be it for the front of my card. It's very simple today. You're going to layer this on this. I'm going to make this hover over the top here like so, just centering it. And now I'm going to stick it to the front of my card. Let's open the card, and we're going to stick all the layers on the inside now. So this is your base card, and now I'm going to design and put in the pop-up. Let's design this one first. I'm going to put the layers like this. To design this, you're going to hold this like this and bring it in like so. Make sure it's lining up perfectly like this. And then what we're going to do is you're going to stick this on this like this. See, it lines up perfectly, except what we're going to do here is I'm going to cut off the tip here and the tip down there, so it's not sticking out at the back of the card. So I always cut this off. I know other people don't do it, but I think it looks neater that way. Perfect. I'm also going to round this edge so it matches the back of the card. Right, so let's stick this on now. I'm going to measure 1.5 here and here, and draw a line at 1.5. See, so we have to stick this down here with this line here. Right, you have to stick this down here like so. Now we're sticking this one up here like so. So I'm going to stick this first this time and see how it works out. All right, let's put glue here. We're going to stick this perfectly in here like so. Now open this, make a mark on the side, put glue over here and line it up and open it like so. Right. Perfect. Wow. And now we're going to stick this entire unit into here. So remember I told you every time I do this I get a little extra piece. So there's the extra piece there. We're just going to cut it off with our scissors. There you go. Now it's perfect. So making sure it's proper, you're going to open this. Find the middle point for you. So it's 4 1/4. We're finding 2 1/8. And we're going to stick this in here. We're going to stick the bottom part first. Right. So I'm going to stick this in here first like so. Make sure it's equal. Make sure I can close the card. Then I'm going to stick this at the top here like so. And close my card. This card, although bulky, fits perfectly in an A2 envelope. The card is complete, but I'm thinking of adding some simple details like a sentiment to the front saying Happy Valentine's Day, and I'm going to add some treats and sweets to the inside because sort of to match back with this instead of just the heart on the inside. Let's do that. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this twist and pop. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day card. Valentine's Day is probably my second favorite season. And yes, I need every excuse to celebrate love. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. And head over to Crystal Best Fitness, where I am trying to lose 50 pounds the healthy way. Bye, guys.